Welcome to this video on how to change a diaper. Changing a diaper may seem like a simple task, but it's important to do it properly to ensure your baby's comfort and hygiene. In this video, we will go through the steps of changing a diaper, from preparing the area to disposing of the dirty diaper. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather the necessary supplies. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary supplies within reach. You will need a clean diaper, wipes, diaper cream, and a changing pad or a clean surface to change your baby on. Step 2. Prepare the area. Lay your baby on the changing pad or clean surface with their feet pointing towards you. Make sure they are not too close to the edge of the table. Use wipes or a damp cloth to clean your baby's bottom. Step 3. Remove the dirty diaper. Unfasten the dirty diaper by undoing the tabs. Be careful not to let the dirty diaper touch your baby's clean skin. Gently lift your baby's legs by the ankles and slide the dirty diaper out from under them. Step 4. Clean your baby's bottom. Use wipes or a damp cloth to gently clean your baby's bottom, front to back, being careful to wipe away any poop. Step 5. Apply diaper cream. If your baby has a diaper rash, use a thin layer of diaper cream to protect their skin. Step 6. Put on a clean diaper. Place the clean diaper under your baby's bottom, making sure it's centered. Bring the front of the diaper up between your baby's legs and fasten the tabs securely, but not too tightly. Step 7. Check for leaks. After you put on the new diaper, gently press down on the front and back to make sure there are no gaps or leaks. Step 8. Dispose of the dirty diaper. Place the dirty diaper in a diaper pail or sealed plastic bag. Be sure to wash your hands thoroughly before and after the diaper change. Changing a diaper may seem like a small task, but it's important to do it properly to ensure your baby's comfort and hygiene. By following these simple steps, you can make sure your baby stays clean, dry, and comfortable. Remember to always have the necessary supplies within reach and to always wash your hands before and after changing a diaper.